Hey guys, how's it going? How to analyze Kraken's trading charts effectively. So first of all, you need to open up the Kraken Pro and understand the chart layout. You can just go ahead and open up your chart right here, right? And you need to basically analyze it. Use the candlestick charts, or you can click right here, the candlestick, and you can use line or you can use bar, right, to see price action, including open, close, high, and low prices for specific time intervals, and pay attention to the order book and trade history for insights into market depth and recent trades. And leverage chart tools. Use drawing tools to basically, you can go ahead right here and use like analyzing tool that allows you to see the prices going up and down, and apply basically the tools to mark support and resistance level, trend lines, and chart patterns like triangles and or head and shoulders, right? And analyze volume. Study trading volume to confirm price movements. For example, price increases on a high volume suggest strong bullish movement. Okay, and basically switch between different time frames. You can just go ahead and select right here time frame, right? And you can use 1 hour, right, to see the latest hours of like when like the prices of Bitcoin, right, went down and up. And basically 5 minutes, 1 hour daily to analyze short-term versus long-term trends. You can see right here the order book to see which people, or basically what percentage of people are buying or selling. And you can see right here depth, right? That depth allows you to see the prices going up and down, and basically if the market is bullish or basically bearish. And you can see right here the market trades, right? Another way of seeing the latest price, right, during the hour. And basically right here you're gonna see positions, if you have positions, imbalances, and trades, right? Go back to the charts, right? And you can set alerts. Use Kraken Pro's alert to feature to notify you when a price level is reached. If you want to know more, you could just go ahead and just click the account and click the settings, not the settings, go back to the profile. You're gonna see notifications from here, and make sure that you allow notifications from here to see the latest price for Bitcoin or any other crypto that you're interested in. All right, and basically by mastering these features, you can make a data-driven decision and enhance your trading outcomes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.